Welcome to Stickikins. Today I will be explaining the circular flow of income. Money doesn't disappear, it circulates. And understanding that one loop might explain how the entire economy works. A simple circular flow of income can be illustrated by a two-sector economy, which comprises of households and firms. Households provide factors of production to firms for firms to use to produce goods. Examples of factors of production are land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. Firms reward households for these factors of production by paying them income. Consumers then use the factor income to purchase goods and services produced by the firm. Thus, the circular flow of income is completed, and we can see that the total national output produced by factors of production is equal to the total income paid to households, which is also equal to the total expenditure on goods and services. However, there are assumptions for this equilibrium, which are consumers must spend all their income on domestically produced goods and services. They cannot save money, pay taxes, or spend money on foreign goods and services because then income would not be equal to output and not equal to expenditure. So what happens when these assumptions are not true? These is when the four-sector economy comes in. Although called the four-sector economy, there is actually five stakeholders: households, firms, banks, government and foreign countries. Households and firms still interact similarly with one another as they do in a two-sector economy. But now not all income is spent on domestic goods and services, some are spent on savings, taxes, and imports. Conversely, money will also be injected into the circular flow of income via investment by banks, government expenditure, and export revenue. Spending may thus not be equal to the money value of output because of withdrawals and injections. A leakage is a withdrawal of potential spending from the circular flow of income. It occurs when any part of income, which results from the production of domestic goods and services, is not used to buy domestic goods and services. It contracts the income expenditure stream. The three leakages are saving, S, net taxes, T, and import expenditure, M. An injection is an addition of spending to the circular flow of income. It consists of any expenditure on domestic goods and services other than consumption expenditure. It increases the income expenditure stream. The three injections are investment expenditure, government expenditure, G, and export revenue, X. Thus, an additional condition for equilibrium of national income for a four-sector economy is total injections equals total withdrawal.